So I'm super thrilled and excited to be unwrapping this beautiful hemline collection Soleil. It's actually very pretty, very light, very breezy. And the best thing is you can get it stitched both in short and longer lengths. So this is amazing. And the soft embroidery over it is such a beautiful surprise. So Vanilla Lash is what I'm going to unbox first. ये है जी हमारी शर्ट का front, back, and sleeves. So I love the print. Very summery, very soft. I saw the teaser pictures and I fell in love with this collection. So let's see what is in there for us. और ये है जी इस फ्रंट के साथ के लिए हमारे फॉर द डैंगलिंग्स ओ माय गॉड आई लव दिस ऑर्गेन्जा पेटल फ्लावर्स ये आप देख सकते हो कैन आई शो यू इन द पिक्चर सो यू कैन प्लेस देम लाइक दिस घेरे पे or wherever. Then we have these pink silky marewe buttons which can be placed there too. And these 3D buttons जो कि आप neckline पे या घेरे पे wherever you want to place. These beautiful accessories are definitely going to make it look really lush. अब है जी ये हमारा बहुत ही pretty इसका neckline. Okay, so this is the straight side. Very nice. You can see the delicacy. बहुत ही beautiful embroidery है and in very subtle colors जो कि आपके baseline colors है which is going to give it a very nice subtle summery vibe. Oh my god, this very pretty chiffon ka digitally printed dupatta. I'm loving this collection. The colors are so candy, summery, pretty. You can see this, right? और ये है हमारी sleeves के लिए. ये हमारी applique हो जाएगी laces पे. I love the color combination, the embroidery designing, everything on it, of course. And ये है हमारे घेरे के लिए. So you can see. ये आप लंबी भी बना सकते हो once again and shorter भी. You can make it into a shalwar or pants, but I'm loving it just like this. But totally your call how you want to go about it. और ये इसकी शलवार भी जो है or pants, whatever you want to call it, is printed too. And in very subtle print. Can you see this? This is very pretty. Go for Vanilla Lush for sure. And now we are going to unwrap Lilac Whim. Oh my god, this is truly whimsical. The colors, everything is so playful, beautiful, and definitely summery. You can see this. ये है जी हमारा front, back, and then of course the sleeves are in it too. These are the sleeves. So beautiful, beautiful baseline print, color, everything. This is summery and very, very pretty. And I love this thing about this outfit. इसका चौड़ा घेरे का आप देख सकते हो organza border है. It's beautiful. बहुत ही नफीस embroidery and then of course chicken technique is used in there. उसके बाद जी the next part is this neckline organza का हमारा. You can see this. ये भी one toned है and very beautifully and delicately done. और इसके साथ के ये हमारे tassels हैं which are going to hang on to this. And you can see how. ये आप देख सकते हो. ठीक है जी. So this is how you can play around with this outfit. ये है इसके साथ की हम मैंने आपको दिखाई थी घेरे की तो हमारी ये है और इसके साथ की चाकू की फिनिशिंग लेस ये आ गई हमारी. Right? So enjoy the contrasting tones and how it's going to blend in. ये आ गई हमारी sleeves की multicolored embroidered organza lace. ये आपके बाजुओं पे एप्लीक हो जाएगी आराम से. And not just this, we have this easy, breezy, pretty chiffon ka digitally printed dupatta with these larger than life floral prints on it. Just check it out. This is truly a delight for the eye. और ये है हमारी printed trouser के लिए fabric. Make it into a shalwar, make it into cigarette pants or azar, whatever. It's beautiful. So ये आ गया आपका trouser का fabric. Lilac Whim is a definite. और अब मैं अपना favorite one unwrap करने लगी हूँ आपके लिए Moonlight Dolce. I've been holding my breath to unwrap this one ever since I saw it in the pictures. So let's see what we have in surprise in this one. ये है जी हमारा front का printed for the sleeves of course. You can see this. Oh my god, I love the print all over. And then the back, right? अच्छा एक मजे के लिए interestingly enough you have this. आपने अपने side की finishings के लिए you have this print. You can use it for the side के chalk or wherever else you want to use it. But of course this is wow, it has been planned for you people. ये है जी हमारे neckline के साथ के लिए these pretty organza and silk के मरे हुए ball buttons के tassels. These are really pretty and something very different in this collection. I haven't seen this before. ये आ गया हमारे बाजुओं के लिए लेस है for the sleeves of course. लेकिन the interesting thing is these corners can be used on the shirt. अगर आप इसको लंबा बना रहे हो तो you can use this to add on, you know, an element of elegance to it. ये आगे जो हमारी sleeves के, if we are not using it there, I love it. Beautiful, delicate embroidery is very, very classy. और ये भी हमारी sleeves की embroidered laces के साथ. So these two are going to complement the sleeves together. Right? I love the color combination. And then, of course, हमारा आ गया neckline. इसका बहुत ही pretty dainty neckline, and I love how one flower is colored and the rest are in their subtle hues. ये है जी इसका chiffon का billowy दुपट्टा आपके लिए. Floral print है all over it and in this beautiful, beautiful summery tones. It's nice. Very pretty and refreshing. ये है जी हमारे trouser का fabric. अच्छा, now interestingly enough, if I do not sound cheap, मेरे बस में तो मैं शायद ये printed trousers की भी कुर्ते बनवा दूं. Summers में जितने भी कुर्ते हो जाए, they are definitely never enough. This one is a complete beauty. Do go for moonlit dolce. And now if I say this one is my favorite one too, आप कहोगे ये भी favorite, but truly this whole collection has won over my heart, and I'm sure yours too. So honey petal is the next one I'm going to unwrap, and my heart is definitely besotted with it. So let's check out the candy colors. I love the print all over it. Just check it out. Our front, back. I love the print, the colors. They're so pretty, vibrant, and yet so subtle and summery. See? So this is very, very cute. और ये आ गया जी हमारा sleeves का साथ, right? So we have this for the fabric of the shirt. Then we have a बहुत ही pretty neckline. Check out. I love the beautiful, beautiful embroidery all over it. And not just this, they have given us these beautiful tassels to adorn our neckline with. ठीक है जी, ये हमारे वही organza के silk के balls वाले tassel buttons हैं. I love them. This goes on the neckline. This is for the sleeves in the same theme, of course. ठीक है जी, this embroidered one is for the sleeves. ये है हमारी घेरे की adornment के लिए. हम इसको place करेंगे different जगहों पे 3D flowers को organza के to give it a more classier complete look. And of course हमारी finishings के लिए these are the crocheted laces for the side slits, घेरा, wherever you want to place them. काफी ज़्यादा है भाई. Okay, so you have a lot of crochet की lace as well. Hamara printed trouser. Once again, you can make it into anything, trouser, shirt, whatever. Even shalwar for that matter would look very pretty if you are making a shorter shirt. If you're making a longer one, go for pants, I would suggest. And then, of course, Hamara chiffon ka digitally printed dupatta is right there. I love the color vibes and everything. Totally complementing the outfit. Enjoy, honey. और अब मैं आपके लिए अनरैप करूँ Camellia Kiss. Check out the beautiful pattern and print all over it. You need to see this. ठीक है जी, ये आ गया आपकी sleeves का. And then of course हमारा front and back. So ये आ गया हमारी digitally printed lawn की shirt का front, back and sleeves. Then this is the beautiful, beautiful once again ये collection की बहुत ही मुझे pretty लगा ये themed tassels. Just check out the organza silk ball वाले tassels which go on the neckline, of course. ये आ गई हमारी sleeves की चौड़ा embroidered border. This is so pretty. Just check out. Totally complementing the outfit, of course. ये आ गया हमारा neckline जिसके साथ के मैंने tassels आपको पहले दिखा दिए थे. ये आ गया हमारे घेरे के लिए lace. This is all embroidered. Oh my god, I love the technique on the embroidery. This one is very pretty. और ये आ गया इसका दुपट्टा. ये chiffon का हमारा दुपट्टा आ गया. And then of course the trouser fabric. This one is a pretty one too. I'm sure you're going to love it. और अब मैं आपके लिए unbox करने लगी हूँ my favorite one, which has totally stolen my heart. And that is Berry Cream. Just check out the beautiful base color and the floral prints. My god, these are the beautiful sleeves, the front, the back. Lovely. I love the digital print all over it. It's gorgeous. Very, very breathable, very pretty, very summery. बहुत ही मजे का लग रहा है. And now we are going to see the next. और ये है जी हमारा बहुत ही खूबसूरत pretty color combination में इसका embroidered organza for the sleeves. Just get it appliqued to give it a complete look. And of course, then we have ये हमारा चौड़ा घेरे के लिए embroidered organza का border. Just check out the Nafis embroidery over it. बहुत ही delicate है ऊपर इस पे embroidery. And then of course the proper गला बना हुआ है इसका embroidered. You have to get it a pleat on the neckline. And with that, to enhance it even more, we have the pack of tassels. अच्छा जो मजे की बात यह है कि if you look at it, these beautiful buttons are going to be inserted over the gala. इसके multiple places पे ये आ जाएगा. And then we have a pack of crochet laces. काफी ज़्यादा है, which is going to be used for the finishings. And now we have this gorgeous, gorgeous chiffon ka dupatta. This looks like a water painting. Just check it out, है ना? This beautiful digitally printed dupatta is gorgeous and totally complementing the outfit. And of course, our trouser. You can easily make it into a trouser, a shalwar, a nazar, whatever suits you. But this is going to definitely look beautiful. Do go for berry cream. At least I will.